Do you think that there is a website that generates for you an entire article of over 3,000 words about a given topic just in few seconds? Welcome again, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you an awesome website that gives you a full and search engine optimized articles about any topic in any field just with one click. Thus, kindly make the way to this amazing website for today. That is Shopeia.ai. Shopeia.ai. And this amazing website is one of the most recent websites in artificial intelligence business, where you can generate a full article about any topic and any niche just with one click, and your articles would be optimized to Google search engines. In addition, here in Shopeia.ai, you can give this website a cluster of keywords. Therefore, it gives you a bunch of articles which are related to each other's. Therefore, you can feed your website with amazing blog posts that cover your fields and your topics. Moreover, here in Shopeia.ai, you can generate also many copies regarding your blog business, like an outline, an introduction, conclusion, listicles, and so on. And copies for social media marketing campaigns, like product descriptions, bios, captions, and so on. And the best thing here on Shopeia.ai, you can use that for free. So if you have a look at pricing plans here on Shopeia.ai, as you see here, and you can find this standard and the pro and enterprise. And for every single plan, you can find your limit of words, like 20,000, 40,000, and so on. For example, if we pick this one, 40,000 words, just you can pay only for $9 a month, okay, as you see. And just we can increase the limit. Here you can just pay for $11 a month. And for the best pick, which is Pro plan, here you can start with 50,000 words a month just for $13 a month, as you see. And here you can find a lot of features like SEO reports and 10 topic clusters and 20 image credits and so on. And you can invite many users in your team. And for every single plan, just you can start your free trial without any credit card details. So now you can click over this button, start my free trial, and continue with your email, and insert your details like your name, email, and the password, and confirm my email. Simply and quickly to open up a new account here on Shopeia.ai to create your entire article about any topic in any field with one click. Welcome to Shopeia.ai. Let's get started. And it gives you some instructions. Next. Okay. Finish. And then you can prepare your content for your upcoming days for a whole month. Content planner, article ideas, and keywords from top performing content in your niche. Here you can use this template, and here you can generate a full article of over 3,000 words. And here you can find the other copies to generate copies for your blog business, for your social media, and so on. And that's for our today's topic, to generate an entire article in few seconds. So you can head to this one, article writer. Simply step by step. And firstly, you have to select a template like a general topic or how-to template style, explainer, listicle, the top 10, the top 15, and so on, or a review of a product and something like that. So quickly we can select how-to, for example, and the article description. So we can type something like how to lose weight in a month with a real blend, for example. And here you can insert some keywords to be included in your article that you want to rank for, like lose weight, weight loss, fat burning, how to lose weight, women weight loss, lose pounds, and so on and so forth. And in this step, you have to select the tone of your article, like casual, conversational, creative, high energy, informative. So we can select professional. And instead of this step, you can analyze Google results to make your article search engine optimized. So you can search for your keywords you want to rank for, okay, and target region like United States, Egypt, India, and so on and so forth. Therefore, it analyzes the top 10 and the top 30 articles that rank for your articles. Therefore, it gives you the most accurate long tail keywords and your title of your article. And of course, this feature is allowed for the premium users after your upgrading and after the free trial. And now, just you can next title. Therefore, it gives you some unique headlines, some attractive titles of your article, like how to lose weight in a month with a real plan, fat weight loss, how to lose weight in a month, and so on and so forth. So you can pick out one of these beautiful headlines, like this one, for example, women's weight loss guide, how to lose weight in 1 month. Use a title. Therefore, automatically it gives you an outline and structure of your article, the search engine optimized article. As you see, a full outline of your article that is about your topic to how to lose weight in 1 month. As you see, table of contents or the introduction of your article and diet and exercise plan, as a heading, and so on and so forth, that covers all aspects of your topic and your niche, as you see. And not only that, just you can here insert some AI suggestions for making headings and subheadings, like an introduction, set goals and guidelines, change your eating habits and exercise routine, monitor your progress, conclusion. So you can add more suggestions from AI. As you see, tips for sticking to your goal, diet and nutrition tips for women's weight loss, and so on and so forth. So you can select some of them, like if we pick this one, diet and nutrition tips, as you see. And of course you can change its position, so we can make it here or something like that, and so on and so forth, okay, to cover the all sides of your article to be more comprehensive. And also here you can select SEO analysis, and of course this feature is allowed for premium users, okay, to select the headings and subheadings used in the same article or the articles about the same topic. And you can select the frequently asked questions, like the same one, analyze Google, okay. And now we can choose outline with AI. Just you can expand your outline and make more headings and subheadings, or you can regenerate a new fresh outline other than that. And now we can choose outline, this one, and here we can confirm detailed paragraphs, okay, show more. And now we can generate your full article just in few seconds that contains over 3,000 words with one click. So generate an article, generating. As you see, it's a huge article that consists of over 4,000 words. As you see, it's a huge article that covers all sides of your topic. And my 50 cents, just you can, to make your article more optimized to Google search engines, just you can head to Google and explore the top ranked articles about the same topic to find more headings and subheadings and some frequently asked questions and people also ask for, and something like that, to make your article comprehensive as much as possible, okay. And in a way, just here you can create a huge article that ranks higher in Google search results. And now you can support this article, and here you can find 3 options: docs, in PDF, or HTML. Perfect. And that's it. Before here on Shopify.ai, you can generate more copies regarding your blog business and your social media marketing campaigns, as IDA framework, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, improve content, answer these questions, article ideas, intros, outlines, sections. So here you can generate not only your full article, but here you can also generate more copies for your business. And to them, I hope you enjoyed this video and this amazing website that you can use for free. And thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.